Welcome back to the Engineering Eye. In today's episode, we are looking at a more in-depth look at the plan we developed in our first video. And if you are passionate about building and infrastructure designs, this is the right place. Kindly share, subscribe, like, and comment. So this is the plan we developed in our first video. It's a 2-bedroom house, simple plan. We are looking forward to modifying it until we cost it. Well, it's more of a rental, and what we have as our modification. I want to show how we came up with, because initially we didn't have compartments, we didn't have partitions. For example, this one that cuts through the y-axis, that's where we're going to start from. It's measuring 4.1 from the left side, from the internal wall. So marking it off from our from this, using a line tool, it's 4.1. And under design, we can bring our wall. Our wall is entering into our line, so we can press P. Since our line has been purposeful, we can delete it. We can see that we placed some objects. We have sofa sets, and our dining also have the bed for the bedroom and our wardrobe. Also placed some fittings for the washrooms, and this is where we can find them, so that we place them to our design. So under the object tool and the objects dialog, settings dialog, we can have our sofa set first. Let's start with a two-seater. Okay, it's vertical, we want it to be horizontally placed. Control M to mirror it. Yes, so it's a nice representation that you'll be looking forward to. Go back to the object tool. Still under sofa set, get our L shape sofa set. Now we can drag it for proper arrangements. Our dining, you can see we have a dining area created. Still under objects, search for dining. It could be a rectangular table or a round table. One, depends on what you desire. We want it to be horizontally placed, so you can Control M, get it well. You can see our washroom, it's measuring 1.3 by 2.2. That's enough for our washroom. Under documents, line, measure of our 1.3. And we can draw our wall from the mark of point. Yeah, this is a 2.2. Still using a line tool. We can just pick up the parameter by pressing Alt it's 2.2. This is our mark of point for the wall. P to come out. You can delete these lines because they have served the purpose. Have an opening that leads us to the bedroom and the washroom. How did we get it? It's from the door tool and the door settings dialog. Go to an empty door openings. We choose a rectangular opening. Place it there. Also have our doors, the hinged doors, the one that takes us to the bedroom and one for the washroom. Those are hinged and they have a transom. Yeah, check through, you can find it, and there. We also had a bedroom, a wardrobe, and some fittings, plumbing fittings for our washroom. So ideally, I go to the objects tool, search for a bed. Could be a double bed or a single bed, depends. Taking this, look at where it is placed. You can drag it and mirror it. Control M. Yeah, that's where I wanted it. Our wardrobe too, under object, settings dialog, wardrobe. Taking this, Control M. If you want to change the 2D representation of our wardrobe, you can go to the dialog settings, wardrobe settings, representation. 2D is represented by symbol. All these are representations of our wardrobe. I chose this. You can choose anything you want. Yeah, let's also place our fittings for the washroom. We have a shower kit. Mirror it. We also have a water closet, as you can see. So under the objects tool, the setting dialog, we can get our water closet. Yeah, this one. Oh, you can see our washroom has no lighting. You can also provide by means of a window. Let's align this way. Simple window. It is actually usually 800 by 800 or 600 by 600. Depends. It's not as it's not cast in stone, so you can dictate what you feel is. So it's 800 by 800. Yeah. So we can drag everything here and put it into our sitting room up there. Shift, press Shift and select all the objects you want to place up there. Control Shift plus D to drag a copy, because we don't want to drag them, but we want to just drag a copy. Yeah. Another thing is having all these up the other side. I can have a copy of my bed, and then I can mirror it. Yes. This is 1.3 by 2.2. I can take off those measurements from the upper room using a line tool. 1.3 by 2.2. Then I have my walls. This is inside. Press P to get it off. Have a benchmark. Finish. Well, we can delete our lines because they have done their part. As you can see, our walls are grouped, but I want to stretch this wall so that it connects to this wall. Well, I'm going to select them and ungroup them. When I select this, I can easily stretch it to this wall. I can now place my doors. I can pick a parameter by pressing Alt, then I tap on what I want to pick, which is a door. The command is already selected. I can just come and place the door if I want. You can also pick a parameter for our opening area here. Section door. Place it there. Well, remaining our fittings, and just come pick parameter, come up, place it, Alt, place your parameter, Control M. We also have to provide a window up here. Still, we shall Alt, place our window where we want. So basically, this is what we added onto the first video. We shall be having more modifications of this plan, of this building, in our next episodes. This is our 3D. Look at our 3D. We have all our objects placed into the rooms. You can actually delete the roof, see what happens inside. everything we've done is actually displayed in our 3D window. We can Ctrl Z to recover our roof. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please share and videos like this. Thank you.